Alright, this is the unboxing of the Grimmspeed top mount intercooler for the 2015 Plus WRX. Made in the USA. Oh, what's this? Well, that's a cool sticker. Grimmspeed sticker. Oh, they give you a giant Grimmspeed sticker. Because I think Grimmspeed is probably one of the best intercoolers you can get. Top mount. I know Killer Bee makes a good one. And MA Performance might make a good one too. Theirs look pretty good too, but I know you can't go wrong on a top mount with Grimmspeed or Killer Bee. Boy, yeah, that's quality there. Front mount though, I mean, Perrin makes a good front mount, and ETS, both those guys make Alright, so a bunch of other shroud stuff in here. Splitter. So what I want to do is get all these clips out and then take this off, put the new splitter in. Pretty easy. This isn't going to be a detailed install on this. There's plenty of other installs on YouTube about this. So this thing right here seems to be working to get them out. Just got to get the whole thing on there. And use two hands so it doesn't land in the engine compartment. Slides right in. This is easier to get in than the OEM one. I'm putting this up a little bit high right here. Maybe I can tighten it. Screwdriver. Seems to be running just great with the intercooler. Zero feedback knock, zero knock learn. temperature's really good. I'm gonna go with no check engine light. I think it runs great. Do a road test.